Well, let's go. Oh, look at Dad. No, where's Dad? Oh, there he is. Look at him. I'm in the car right now. So, let's get started for camping. So, I have to do this on Dad's one because my iPad's not working yet. Because I broke it, then it's not coming back on. So, I've used Daddy's phone. So, let's start all the furniture. Look at this. I'm going in. Hey, Dale. Hey. You're in the hole. Look at him. Oh, wow. Record him. Then I got Daddy opening up the tent. Hey, Dad. Don't do you can actually do YouTube videos. So this video is gonna take 1 hour. So Daddy and Mummy are setting up the tent. Look, the helpful mother and then the helpful Daddy, and then come into the car. You can see properly through the window. Dylan! Hey, Dale. You can comment, make more better videos, and then I'll make some better videos. Got torch for night. Got the torch. So when it's 10 o'clock, 10 p.m, we're going out for a walk with our midnight torch. Make sure to like and subscribe to Josh Lakin and Mike Lakin. Both have YouTube channels. Awesome. Also, you got to look at this. There's some camper vans over there. Secret. Well. Burped. Well, it's ticking, guys. I'm gonna go in the car because I'm getting a bit cold, breezing. So I got some stuff out here. Look at that, Dill's favourite. I also got one. Just don't know where it is. Just let me. My squash.
Squash? You thirsty?
Yeah, I'm thirsty.
Let's get your cup out then.
Oh, I see it. Look at this sweet ball. Why is the camera not showing it? Look. Oh! Oof, a bit thirsty. Oh, time to get some squash in it. Then we just gotta flip the camera. Flip the camera. They look like Kool-Aid. Let's have. Kind of good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drink it. Nice. Then look how Daddy's going. Into his face. Never stop exploring. start being soft with Dill. I'm gonna get snuggled up in the Dill party house. I'm getting in. I do. Dylan, get me in. I'm freezing. I'm freezing cold. Let's shut the door. Oh. Before we make another videos, make sure to like and subscribe. Been in the car for like 2 hours and I've been sleepy.